Effective Requirement Management with Orcanos. Welcome to our quick guide on effective requirement management using Orcanos. In this video, we'll walk you through essential practices for managing requirements and how Orcanos software facilitates each step. First, let's talk about inviting collaboration. In Orcanos, you can easily invite team members to review and comment on requirements. Simply give them read-only access or permission to add comments. This way, stakeholders can provide valuable feedback without altering the original documents. For example, you can see here how users add comments directly to a requirement, making collaboration seamless and efficient. Next, we have role-based access control. Assign specific roles with permissions to manage who can read, create, update, or delete requirements. This ensures that only authorized personnel can make changes. Here's an illustration. By configuring roles in Orcanos, you can ensure that only the right team members have the ability to modify sensitive requirements. Version control and change logs. Version control and change logs are crucial for tracking modifications. Orcanos automatically increments the version number with every change and logs who made the updates. This is also done according to the 21 CFR Part 11 requirements. Notice how each change is recorded, providing a transparent history of updates and maintaining accountability. In addition, the approval process of a full document in Orcanos takes a snapshot of the data and place it under designated revision so the user can compare between one tag to another, creating clear visual report of all the changes. Viewing recent changes. Monitoring recent changes helps keep track of modifications. With Orcanos, you can easily view the latest updates within a scope of your product release, identifying who made changes and what was altered. Here you can see how the Show Recent Changes feature provides a clear overview of all modifications. Requirement locking. Requirement locking ensures that critical requirements aren't modified without authorization. In Orcanos, you can lock requirements so that only the person who locked it or an admin can make changes. Here, you can see how a requirement is locked, safeguarding it from unauthorized edits. Impact of requirement changes. Understanding the impact of requirement changes is essential. Orcanos helps you perform change impact analysis, showing how modifications affect upstream and downstream dependencies. With Orcanos, you can easily visualize the ripple effects of any change, ensuring you address all affected areas and maintain project integrity. With the Impact Analysis Report, you can see the ripple effects of changes, ensuring all related components are updated. By identifying and addressing these interconnected elements, you can proactively manage risks, enhance system reliability, and streamline your workflow for better efficiency. Requirement approval process. Finally, the requirement approval process formalizes acceptance. After collaboration, requirements are submitted for approval in Orcanos, where designated roles review and sign off. Orcanos' robust tools for collaboration, access control, versioning, and approval streamline requirement management, ensuring efficient, controlled, and traceable processes.